just 2 ingredients, you make this very tasty, soft, and delicious bread. You heard me right, just 2 ingredients. Welcome to my channel today. My name is Teresa Metuka, and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing you want to do is just to get ready self-raising flour, and then you add in Greek yogurt, and that's it. That's all the ingredients that you need to make the bread today. Super easy, no wasted time, no proving, no kneading, nothing. That is basically it. Just the 2 ingredients I've listed, and there you have it to make your delicious bread. Just mix these 2 ingredients together to form a dough. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka. Like I said before, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment. I would love to hear from you. And you can as well click on the share button to share this delicious recipe to your WhatsApp, to your Facebook, to your groups, for them to see how to make this very delicious bread with just 2 ingredients. So just combine all the ingredients together. Like I said, this is a non-kneading bread. For those that do not like kneading, this is so easy. We're just combining all the ingredients together for it to form into a dough. And decide to use the sweetened Greek yogurt or the unsweetened one, whichever one you want to use is fine. But make sure that the yogurt you are making use of is Greek yogurt because of the consistency. So make sure you are using anyone, the sweetened or the unsweetened, they both work fine. So this is optional though. The next thing you want to do is just to sprinkle some flour. If your working surface can be sticky, so just sprinkle some flour so that it doesn't stick to, so that your dough doesn't stick to your working surface, and then just roll out the dough. Even the rolling too is a bit optional. All you want to do is just to form this into a small round ball. So you can decide to roll it, you can decide to just cut out the dough piece by piece and form it into a round ball. And that is basically it. This bread making is super easy. I have lots of bread recipe that I have made that is my channel right now, so you can also check those ones, but this is one of the quickest, easiest bread ever. Like a cooking time is basically like 15 to 20 minutes, and that's all. No kneading, no proofing, no waiting, no wasting time as you were doing it. No yeast, nothing. Just those 2 ingredients that we've listed before, and that's it. So like I said, just form this into a round ball. If you want each of the ball size to be precise, you can decide to use your measuring scale and just measure it. So mine was weighing about 67 grams. But if you don't want, you can just eyeball it. Just try to make sure that each ball is precise. And I said roll it in order for it to form into a perfect ball, and that's easy. So you can decide to wait. You can decide to just go with your flow and just bake this for 15 minutes, and there you have it. You have this very sumptuous bread roll. 2 ingredients. This is super delicious. You really need to give this recipe a try, and I promise you, you are going to love every bit of it. The aroma in my kitchen when I made this bread was super. It was really superb. Like, I was really eager to eat this bread. It smells pretty good. So let's give this a try. It's really nice, seriously. It tastes very rich. Like, it tastes something like the bread that is very rich. Just 2 ingredients, and pressure eating a very rich bread. And as you can see, it's super easy to make. So if you have a busy schedule, just want to make quick bread, this is a bread for you to try. As you're really going to enjoy it. It's very nice. and sauce as well. So, mushroom. It's very nice. It is very rich, like it's very rich. You can taste still the Greek yogurt. You can taste it. It is a very rich bread. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share this delicious recipe. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next one. Lots of love and kisses from me too. Bye.